Have you ever stared at the night sky, wondering if somewhere out there someone might be looking back? Imagine the boundless universe teeming with galaxies beyond count, and within those galaxies, a multitude of stars, each potentially orbited by planets. Among these celestial bodies, scientists have identified a special category known as exoplanets, planets that exist outside our solar system. The search for exoplanets is a fascinating endeavor. Using a variety of detection methods, scientists are able to identify these distant worlds, some of which bear a striking resemblance to our own home planet. They look for planets that are similar to Earth in size and distance from their star, a region often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might just be right for life as we know it. The vastness of the universe makes the existence of such Earth-like planets probable. But this brings us to an even more intriguing question. So the possibility of Earth-like planets exists, but what about life? Imagine, if you will, a world light years away, identical to Earth, where another version of you exists. This may seem like science fiction, but it's a possibility we cannot completely rule out. The Drake equation, a scientific formula developed by Dr. Frank Drake in the 1960s, suggests that there could be a significant number of civilizations in the Milky Way that we could potentially communicate with. The formula takes into account factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars that have planets, and the number of planets that could potentially support life. However, the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, throws a wrench into this optimistic view. It questions why, if there are so many potential civilizations, we have yet to encounter any signs of extraterrestrial life. The silence from the cosmos is deafening and perplexing, creating a paradox that scientists are still grappling with. In our search for extraterrestrial life, we often look for familiar signs: water and atmosphere, a temperature range that could support life as we know it. But what if life exists in forms we can't yet comprehend? What if there are organisms that thrive in extreme cold, or without water, or in the vacuum of space? Our understanding of life is based on our singular experience on Earth, which might limit our ability to recognize life that doesn't fit within our preconceived notions. The universe is vast and mysterious, filled with endless possibilities. Our search for life beyond Earth is not just a quest for extraterrestrial beings, but also a journey to expand our understanding of life itself. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we might discover that life can exist in ways we never imagined. Our understanding of life is limited by our experience on Earth. But what if life as we know it is just one possibility? And what if every night when we close our eyes and dream, we're actually visiting these parallel worlds? An intriguing notion, isn't it? The concept of parallel universes is not just the stuff of science fiction. It's a legitimate field of study in theoretical physics and cosmology, often referred to as the multiverse theory. The multiverse theory suggests that there could be an infinite number of universes, including the one we inhabit. Each of these universes could have different physical laws, different timelines, and perhaps even different versions of ourselves. Now imagine if our dreams are not just random neural firings of the subconscious mind, but actual glimpses into these parallel worlds. This idea might sound far-fetched, but it's not entirely without basis. Some researchers propose that our consciousness could be a form of quantum information that can exist separately from the physical body. In this view, dreams could be a way for this quantum consciousness to explore different realities. Consider the strange and often illogical nature of dreams. They seem to operate outside the laws of time and space that govern our waking lives. One moment you could be flying over an alien landscape, the next you're having tea with a talking cat. Could these be glimpses of a universe where the laws of physics are different, or where evolution took a different turn? But of course, this is all speculation. The nature of dreams and consciousness remains one of the great mysteries of science. And while the multiverse theory is a fascinating concept, it's still very much on the fringes of scientific understanding. It's a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about the universe and our place in it. Dreams, then, could be more than just figments of our imagination. They could be windows into other worlds. And perhaps, one day, we might find a way to open those windows and truly explore the infinite possibilities of the multiverse. Let's pause for a moment and dwell in the realm of what if. What if you were born, lived, and died on another planet, light years away from Earth? What if the cycle of life and death isn't confined to our blue planet alone? The concept of reincarnation, the belief in the rebirth of the soul in new bodies or life forms, is a cornerstone of many cultures and religions. It's a notion that has fascinated us for millennia, providing comfort, intrigue, and sometimes fear. But let's bring this spiritual concept into the realm of science. Is there a scientific theory that could support the possibility of life after death on another planet? Well, indeed there is. According to the multiverse theory, there could be an infinite number of universes, including the one we inhabit. In each universe, the realities could be vastly different or strikingly similar. This theory could technically allow for the possibility of a rebirth or a new life on a planet similar to Earth, light years away. Think about it. What would life be like on this other Earth? Would the air smell the same? Would the sky be the same shade of blue? Or would it be a completely different color, painting a spectacular alien landscape? But don't let the wonder stop there. Let's take it a step further. What if, when we dream, we're not just processing our daily experiences or diving into our subconscious? What if we're glimpsing into these parallel realities, visiting other versions of ourselves in different universes? These are not just idle musings. They force us to reconsider our understanding of life, death, and the universe. They challenge us to question the boundaries of our reality and to ponder the infinite possibilities that may lie beyond. In the grand scheme of the universe, anything is possible. Perhaps in some distant galaxy, another version of you is wondering the same thing.